Hey, I'm Zach from Together on Trail, and today we're learning how to use the Katadyn Befree Water Filter. So water within New England is typically pretty abundant, but you need a water filter in order to drink it. When you go on a backpacking trip, you're going to need to refill your water bladder or water bottle in some sort of water source, and hopefully it's a flowing water source, so that way you have the cleanest water to filter from. And then obviously you need to filter it. The filter we're talking about today is so light that we recommend it for our day hikes as well. You can pack less water for your hike if you know there are going to be several filterable water sources along your route. Unlike pump filters or gravity bags, the Katadyn Befree requires very little manual effort. And unlike iodine tablets, which is another way to filter water, you can't run out. If you expect your main source of water to be a pond or a lake that is not flowing, then we'd recommend using a pump filter or a gravity bag. It also never hurts to bring iodine tablets as a backup. And if you're backpacking, your stove and cooking pot can be used to boil water and therefore purify it, but this should only be used if you have no other option. So finally, here's how you use this filter. Your first step is to collect water from a stream using a reservoir, which I'm about to demonstrate from a stream up in New Hampshire. As you might have been able to see in the video, I was using a Hydropack Seeker. This one's a 2-liter and it's our recommendation for pairing with this filter. So when you're done collecting the water, you screw on the filter like this, and then you open the top and you grab your water bottle, one's down here, and you pour it in. So you can use a water bottle, or you might have a water bladder in your backpack. Either one is fine. This one happens to be a Nalgene wide mouth, which is super popular for hiking and backpacking. An added bonus of Nalgenes is they attach directly to some pump water filters like the MSR MiniWorks EX. I'll link to that one in the description of this video. So after you use the filter, you might notice some dirt or debris lodged in it. Simply shake it to get this stuff off. And that's pretty much it.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today. Feel free to leave a comment if there's a topic you want us to cover next. We do this for you guys, so let us know.
Yep, and please click like and subscribe to help us grow the channel, and click the notification bell so you know when we post another video.
Happy hiking!